So here the question is, we find the equation of straight line passing through the point minus 4 comma 6 and 6 comma 8. So this is nothing but, so this is a straight line and it is passing through that x1 y1 and next it is passing through that x2 y2. We find this equation, that is, so the formula is equation of straight line passing through x1 y1 and x2 y2 is the formula. What is the formula? That is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, taken as this is 1. So given that x1 y1, what is that x1 y1? The first equation is minus 6 comma 4. This is nothing but a minus 6 comma 4. And x2 y2, what is that x2 y2? 6 comma 8, and this is nothing but a 6 comma 8. And we need to find this straight line. So therefore substitute 2 in 1. If I am taking this is 2, substitute 2 in 1. So therefore y minus y1 is equal to, so that what is the what is that? Y minus y1, y1 value, what is the y1 value? 6, equal to y2 minus y1, nothing but 8 minus 6 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, x2 minus x1, nothing but 6 minus half minus 4 into x minus x1. So therefore it is y minus 6 equal to 2 by 10 into x plus 4. 2 1 jar, 2 5 jar. So therefore it is nothing but a 5 into y minus 6 equal to x plus 4. So therefore x plus 4 minus 5 into y minus 6 equal to 0. So from that x minus 5y plus 30 plus 4 equal to 0. So therefore x minus 5y plus 34 equal to 0. So this is a required straight line. What is the required straight line? The required straight line is x minus 5y plus 34 equal to 0. So therefore how we find this solution? That means we need to find the equation of straight line passing through the point x1 y1 and x2 y2. What are the formula? The basic formula is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Given the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, just we substitute these 2 points in this equation and we simplify, we get that, finally we get that x minus 5y plus 34 equal to 0. And next question is, so equation of straight line. What is the next problem? The next problem is equation of straight line passing through equation of straight line passing minus 2 comma 5 and m equal to minus 3 by 4. So therefore here that given that slope point slope form. Point slope form. So therefore the point equal to, what is the point? The point equal to x1 y1 and slope equal to m. What is the formula? The formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So taken as 1. So given that x1 y1, what is the value? Minus 2 comma 5 and m equal to minus 3 by 4. Substitute 2 in 1. So therefore y minus y1 value, the y1 value is equal to 5 and m value, m is nothing but a minus 3 by 4 into x minus of minus 2. So therefore we get that 4 into y minus 5 equal to minus 3 into x plus 2. So this minus will be converted into this side. We get that 3 into x plus 2 plus 4 into y minus 5 equal to 0. This is nothing but 3x plus 6 plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Therefore 3x plus 4y minus 14 equal to 0. This is a required straight line. So this is nothing but, so we need to find the equation of straight line passing through minus 2 comma 5 and slope, the slope equal to m equal to minus 3 by 4. This is nothing but a point slope form. What is the formula? The point equal to x1 y1 and slope equal to m. The main formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and it is given that x1 y1 nothing but minus 2 comma 5 and m equal to minus 3 by 4. Just we substitute this equation 2 in equation 1 and we simplify. Finally we get that 3x plus 4y minus 14 equal to 0. Next one is what is the problem? So the problem is equation of straight line. Find equation of straight line. Passing three comma minus 4 and having inclination that is 60 degrees. So therefore what is the solution? The inclination nothing but theta. Inclination is nothing but inclination that equal to theta equal to 60 degrees. For m equal to, that is nothing but a slope, the slope m equal to tan theta, that is nothing but tan 60 degrees. What is the tan 60 value? That tan 60 nothing but a root 3. Therefore m equal to root 3. And given that it is nothing but a point slope form, it is nothing but a point slope form. That is nothing but, what is the point? That is x1 y1, point equal to x1 y1 and slope m equal to slope. What is the formula? y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So therefore, what is that x1 y1? x1 y1 equal to 3 comma minus 4, and m equal to, what is the m value? M value equal to root 3. If this is a 1 and this is 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. We get that. So 2, what is that? Y minus of minus 4 m root 3 into x minus 3. So therefore, y plus 4 is equal to root 3 of x minus 3. That is nothing but a root 3x minus 5 minus 3 root 3 minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, it is nothing but root 3x minus of 3 root 3 plus 4 equal to 0, which is of the form, what is the form? The form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, which is the required straight line. So that what is the question? The question is, find the equation of straight line passing through 3 comma minus 4 and having inclination 60 degree. Inclination is nothing but theta, and we need to find the slope. The slope is nothing but tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but a tan 60 degrees. So finally we get that m equal to tan 60. This is nothing but a root 3. And what is the form? It is given that slope and we have a point. This is nothing but a point slope form. That is nothing but, what is the point? x1 y1 and the slope equal to m. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And x1 y1, what is the value of x1 y1? Given that 3 comma minus 4, and we find that m equal to root 3. Substitute 2 in 1 and we get that root 3x minus y minus of 3 root 3 plus 4 equal to 0, which is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And the next one is intersection of two lines. Find the angle. The next problem is find the angle between two lines. Between two lines, 3x minus 5 plus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So here that if this is a one line and this is, what is that, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and this is another line a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. If these two lines are intersected, we need to get a theta. We find this theta value. So this is nothing but a first straight line. First straight line. What is the first straight line? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So that is nothing but 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. From that, a equal to 3, a1 equal to 3, so b1 equal to minus 1 and c1 equal to 4. Second straight line. The second straight line is, what is second straight line? a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So that is nothing but a 2x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore, a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 1 and c2 equal to 2. So therefore, what is that cos theta? Angle between of two lines. Angle between two lines. The formula is cos theta equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square. So therefore cos theta equal to, so we substitute these values. If I am taking this is a 1 taken as this is a 2 and 3, substitute 2 and 3 in 1. So therefore cos theta equal to a1 a2, a1 value 3 into a2 2 plus b1 b2, nothing but a minus 1 into 1 by root of a1 square plus b1 square, a1 square 3 square plus 2 square into root of, sorry, a1 square plus b1 square, this is nothing but so a1 square plus b1 square, b1 value equal to minus 1 and root of a2 square plus b2 square, a2 value that is nothing but a 2 square plus 1 square. So therefore cos theta equal to 6 minus 1 by 9 plus 1 into 5. So therefore it is nothing but a 5 by root 10 into root 5. This can be written as 5 by the root 5 into root 5 divided by root 5 into root 5. 5 cancelled, and we get that cos theta equal to 5 by root 10, that is nothing but cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. When it is 1 by root 2, cos 45 degrees, therefore theta equal to 45 degrees. So how we are finding this solution? The solution is finding that we need to find the angle between of two lines, that is two lines are intersected. If two lines are intersected, there must exist the angle, theta will be exist. So we have different formulas are here, one is tan theta, another one is cos theta, but here the easiest method is the cos theta. The cos theta is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square. From that given straight line, we find that a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. Substitute these values in that given equation, in the given formula. So we get that cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So the 1 by root 2 is in cos. When it is 1 by root 2, so that is cos 45 degrees. So theta is equal to 45 degrees.